Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited as I am releasing the fifth and final Stampus Tag out of the 2024 Christmas card class series. And I'm very excited because by now, if you take all of the classes, you are ready almost to get your 60 cards. This is the last 12 cards. Now, if you're new to me and you're just finding me, I'm glad you're here. And just to know a little bit more about this program is each month I release a card class, and this is the fifth one. So each month we make 12 cards, four different designs, and at this point you can get the tutorials at my store at creatingwithali.com/shop. That's where you can get the past card classes. But if you're interested in the Make and Take Kit, I am very excited because I am releasing it now where you can subscribe, or where you can register, I should say. Now, let me tell you a little bit about how you can get this card kit. So I do have the option for me to send you the Make and Take Kit with all the supplies. So the kit will include all the supplies to make 12 cards, again 3 of each of the different designs. You do need to have the bundle. I don't include anything from the bundle, and this one is featuring Decorative 3, so you will need to have that one. If you don't have it, I'll have an option for you to add it on your kit, but you definitely need to have it. Anything that is cut out with this set, I will not be cutting out because you're supposed to have this one. Now, anything else that is not part from it, I will cut, like the circle, this label, the embossing. I will be doing that for you. Okay. So anyway, so let me just tell you a little bit of the class. So for this class, you're gonna be getting, like I said, the kit. You're also going to be getting half a pack of the brush silver and gold foil, which is this one. This one has the silver, as you can see, and the gold. We're going to be using mainly the gold, but you still have, you will keep the silver for other cards. Then you're also going to have a half a pack of the Seasons of Elegance, which is this one. This is the one that has all the designer series paper with just the foil. And oh my goodness, this is just gorgeous, and it makes your cards looks really nice. And then you're also going to be getting a spool of the satin ribbon, the very vanilla satin ribbon, which is the one that we're going to be using on all our projects. And then of course you're going to have as well a pack of the gold twisted thread, which is amazing for the bows that we're making in this class. Now, please know that you're also going to be getting a PDF with all the measurements and all the supply list, pictures, and then a link to video tutorials. I like making video tutorials mainly because I feel like I can share more with you, more tips. And for instance, in this video, the first 2 videos, one is with tips on how to assemble the trees or decorate them, and then the second video will be on how to make the bows with this thread, because I love this type of thread, and I feel like you will love and see how easy it is to make it to the point where you want to be getting a lot of our threads just to play with this type of bow. So anyway, so this option is $66. I can only send it in the United States, and the only way that you can register is through my email list. So make sure you are on my mailing list. In the description of this video, I have a way for you to sign up, but you can also go to creatingwithali.com. It will pop up to register on my email list. Make sure you're on that one so that you can get the registration form. You can also email me at ali@creatingwithali.com, and I'll be more than happy to send you the registration link. And also you can be on my Facebook group, which is also Creating with Ali, so that because sometimes I also post it there. But the more reliable way is just to be on my mailing list, because that's where I send it every single time. That's just by policy. I cannot post it in this video as much as I would love to, but rules are rules. So anyway, so that's that. And on that link also you'll have the option to add on this the Decorative Trees bundle. Okay, because again, you do have to have it to make sure you do the class. The other thing that I'm going to be adding on my registration link, just in case you don't have it, is the Wild Weed stamping, the ink pad, and also the Pretty Peacock, mainly because these are the only 2 that we're going to be using in this class, but not all of you might have this one, so want to make sure that you have that one. But so I'll have also an option to add those things. So anyway, like I mentioned, I can only mail in the United States. So if you are outside of the United States, don't worry, I have you covered. Oh, I have my card here. Hold on. Don't worry, I have you covered. I can sell also the tutorials, which I do offer that option. You just need to go to creatingwithali.com/shop, and that's where you will find this the tutorial. Now, before, if it's not there, also on the registration link, I'll have a pre-sale of the tutorial, because a lot of times as I have released or I am releasing the class, the tutorial might not be there right away. So if you don't want to wait or you don't want to forget, make sure you fill out the registration form and just opt for the pre-sale of the tutorial. It will be there. It is $20 and it will be on my registration link. After that, or in a few days or so, you will see the tutorial on my tutorial store as well. And also, if you are just finding me, like I mentioned at the beginning, you can also get the past card classes tutorials on the on my store. Again, the tutorial option is perfect for those of you that are outside the United States, because I can only mail the kits in the United States. Also, if you're a fellow demonstrators, and also if you're one of those that already have everything, you just need the instructions, you can also get it there. So anyway, I hope you can join me. I'm very excited with this class. I think all the cards look amazing, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So anyway, so thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can leave me a comment below, or you can email me at ali@creatingwithali, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Bye for now, and I hope to see you there. Bye for now.